welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee, and today I'm going to be reviewing the most essential travel item, the Vue Shield. So during the pandemic, we've all been trying to figure out ways to make staying safe cute, right? So if you have been scrolling on social media, you've probably seen the Vue Shield. Their advertisement is super cute. It's all like models and they're like, They look so happy with their Vue Shield. And I wanted something lightweight, something super easy to use to protect myself when traveling. And I just touched down in St. Louis for a booking. So this was the perfect opportunity to try it out and let you guys know all about it. So this is a Luxe face shield that retails for about $59. And let's get into it. So upon opening it, you have a cute little carry case here with drawstrings, and out comes the shield. Here you go. And let's see. Also, you get a piece of paper telling you that it's certified. Okay. And you get this little baggie that has two plastic circles in it and two hard plastic things. Now, I looked all over their website. I looked all over YouTube. I looked everywhere. And nobody knows what these things are. A lot of reviewers were like, what do we do with them? We're thinking, you know, me and the other people, we're thinking that it may have something to do with like a nose cushion or maybe an ear cushion of some sort, but there are no directions in the packet. So you don't get directions on the box, you don't get directions anywhere. You just pretty much, you just do what you feel like is right, I guess. So go ahead and show you guys what this looks like on. It goes on like a pair of glasses. It is super lightweight, super easy to wear. As you can see, it wraps around the sides. I think that's one of its better features, is you're also getting some protection from your side, as well as it goes all the way down. And I have a pretty big head, so it's covering really well all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. And again, like I told you, now I do think it would be even better if it somehow came back more, but I mean, you can't have it all, right? We can't live in a bubble, but it's super lightweight. So I am going to go over the features that this product claims to have, or benefits, and let you guys know what's real and what isn't real. So the first one is full protection from droplets, sprays, and splashes. I would totally agree with that. With having all of that material here, you do have full protection from sprays and splashes. All over UVA and UVB protection, so that's great, as well as a SPF 50 full sunscreen. So this actually gives your face a full SPF covering 50, so 50 SPF. So imagine just doing like Disney World maybe, or maybe a day at the zoo. This would be perfect for maintaining, you know, the anti-aging with the sunscreen, as well as blocking harmful rays that could cause skin cancer, etc. So I really liked that part. Also, it's blue light blocking, so if you work in an office area and you're kind of concerned about making sure you stay covered without being like super cumbersome, this might be a good one for you. And the next one is anti-fog, which I can definitely speak to, because usually when I'm running through the airport during COVID, I'll have like my glasses on and a face mask. And of course, as you guys have probably all experienced, the steam from running and breathing really hard goes straight into those glasses, and now you can't see your gate, you don't know where to go, you don't know what to do. It totally sucks, and I've had that happen a lot. So this time when I was wearing this face shield with my mask, the steam would come up, but it would just dissipate right on the mask. It would just disappear. And it did that really easy and quickly. So I can attest that the anti-fog is real. Lightweight, weighs as much as about a pair of sunglasses. That's true. And it says it's comfortable, easy to breathe. Absolutely easy to breathe. As you guys could hear, it was a little muffled when I had this on, like listening to me talk. But you definitely can still hear, but it is a little bit muffled, as we all have noticed with face masks. It's reusable, better for the environment. Okay, this one, reusable, better for the environment. Yes, it is reusable. Yes, you can spray it down. Yes, you can wipe it down. Yes, it is plastic. But with that being said, as it retails for $59, now I got it on sale for $39, but as it retails for $59, I would have expected this to be a harder material. I want to show you guys how it is kind of, I don't want to use the word flimsy, I guess I use the word flexible. It's flexible. So if you wanted to throw this like in your luggage or something, just as it is, that is not going to fly. I'm pretty sure this would get torn all the way apart because it's so soft. So I decided I'm just gonna keep the box and store it in there in times that I want to throw it somewhere else, because I'm pretty sure it would not make it. And with it costing that much, I thought it was going to be, and because of how beautifully clear it is, I thought it was like some kind of lightweight glass or something, but it's more the feeling of like a bottle of Coke, you know, that clear plastic that you have there. It's more like that. So that is a con for me. I wish it wrapped a little bit further around your face. That would be another con. Not coming with any directions to kind of explain this would have been helpful. Not that, I mean, I honestly didn't need it. So whatever it does, I don't need it, but I think it'd be a nice touch. Easy to clean and disinfect, true, and can be worn with most sunglasses. So that I haven't done. We're gonna test that theory out today to see if it is a good fit with sunglasses. So I did bring, and you can also wear it with eyeglasses as well, but just to be over the top, I brought these super Hollywood looking, bigger, bulkier glasses so that you can see worst case scenario how it would work. Now I imagine that something more lightweight like a seeing glass or like a Ray-Ban, like a sport glass, would probably work even better, but I'm going to show you guys with the worst case scenario, as well as let you guys know that on their website, their website is so beautiful too. It's super luxe. I'll have a little image here for you so you guys can see how cute it is. But like everybody is just looking and voguing and just killing it. But they have shields on there that actually have sunglasses built into it too. So that's an option if you know you're gonna be wearing it outdoors. Maybe you jog or something. I think this would be a good one for working out outside because it's so lightweight. But getting into the sunglasses. So my sunglasses are a little bigger, but let's see how it works together with the Vue Shield. Okay. Still staying on. So I think that works. The other thing I really love is that this now makes it so you can bring lipstick back. You can have a nice little pop of color there if you're not wearing, if you're not in, you know, a high density place and you don't feel like you need to wear the face mask, you can finally have a color again, so that's great. But all in all, I will say I think it was a really good purchase. I definitely will use this a lot. I love it for a Disney World trip or a outside jogging, walking, great at the airport. So yeah, I am a fan of the Vue Shield for sure. Basically, I would suggest it to everyone who just wants to cover up, be safe, cover your face in a non-hideous kind of way, a more modern kind of way. I would suggest this to them. I love it for joggers, adventurers, just people who like to have, you know, whatever the latest thing is. I would definitely suggest this. And then you guys know my cons that I already said about it, but let me know in the comments how you feel about it. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if this was helpful to you. Otherwise, I will holler at you guys next time.